In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a new version of a file without changing the link in Google Drive. This is perfect when a file is already shared or embedded somewhere, and you need to update its contents without breaking the link people are using. First, locate the file you want to update. Open Google Drive in a web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. You can browse through My Drive or a shared drive, or use the search bar if that's quicker. The key is to select the exact file whose content you want to replace while keeping its existing link and sharing settings intact. Next, access Manage Versions. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. From that menu, choose Manage Versions. This opens a small window dedicated to version control for that specific file, and it's the safest way to swap in updated content without changing the file's URL. In the Manage Versions window, click Upload New Version. Think of this as replacing the file behind the scenes. The file name and the link stay the same, but the content gets updated. This is especially handy for documents, PDFs, images, or any asset that other people or systems already reference. Now select the updated file from your computer and confirm the upload. Choose the correct, finalized version so you don't have to repeat the process. If the format matches the original, your collaborators will see the new content right away. Depending on the file size and your connection, the upload may take a moment. Once it finishes, the newest version will appear at the top of the list with a timestamp indicating it's now the current version. Finally, close the window. At this point, the update is complete. Anyone with the link will continue using the same URL, but they'll now access the latest content. If someone still sees an older version, a quick page refresh usually resolves it. Your sharing permissions don't change, and you don't need to resend links or update embeds. It's a simple, reliable way to keep everything pointing to the same place while ensuring the information is current. That's all there is to it. By locating your file, opening Manage Versions, uploading the new version, confirming the file from your computer, and closing the window, you've updated the content without disrupting your link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your files up to date with zero